Hey everyone, meet Dermablend Quick Fix Full Coverage Concealer, your new go-to for flawless skin. This concealer offers full coverage with a natural finish that looks like your skin but better. Its creamy texture feels lightweight and never cakey or mask-like, perfect for all-day wear. Plus, it's smudge and transfer resistant for up to 16 hours when paired with Dermablend Setting Powder. Beyond coverage, it helps repair and strengthen your skin barrier, promoting healthier skin over time. Whether you need to cover blemishes, dark circles, or redness, this concealer has got you covered. Try it for a smooth, confident look that lasts all day. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.